Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we're going to see how to remove background from an image. So go to your search engine and type in remove.bg. So after that, this is how it looks like. I'm going to drag my image. You just drag the image onto this page, like anywhere. So the image that you want, or you can upload the image or drop a file. So I'm going to be dragging it. So after dragging it and putting inside, you just start uploading it and removing the background. So as it loads, it has removed the background, and the only thing you have to do is download it. So this is how you can remove background from your image in less than a minute, and you don't need to know any editing stuff, and you just need to upload the image in this website, and it's totally free and no skills are needed whatsoever. So thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment for more amazing videos. Also subscribe for more videos. I'll see you in the next videos. Bye bye.